Hi everyone, I'm Teresa and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna analyze a really famous song called Lese by a Czech artist called Pokáč. The aim of this video is to teach you some slang words related to Czech nature, and I think that it will be really valuable to you. I chose this song specifically for two reasons. First of all, the artist sings really well and quite slowly, and he also articulates really well. And second of all, I think you'll find it relatable because he makes fun. He's young as well, and he makes fun of all the hipsters, of all the young people who really want to be outdoors, but at the same time cannot detach from technology when they're outdoors. So it's funny, I think you will like it, and before you watch the video, I would like you to first listen to the song, because that's really amazing thing. I'm sure you all know it about Spotify, because you can listen to the song and read the lyrics at the same time as the singer sings them. So that's what I would like you to do before watching this video. Let's get started. Let's start with the first verse. Prej je moderní a zdravý. So prej is a slang form or informal form of prý, like they say, apparently. So usually in Prague or Central Bohemian region we don't say prý, we say prej. Then in the third line, jen tak chodit po lese. Jen tak, just walk around the forest. Jen tak. Fourth line, já bych řekl, že na tom kruci asi něco musí být. So řek, formally it's spelled řekl, řekl bych. We often omit the L because it's just shorter, řek bych. Kruci is not even translated by people. Kruci means like damn, but it's not really a bad word. Kruci, krucinál, like damn, there must be something about it. And bejt is the informal way of beat, to be. So you will notice that there is a lot of the EJ endings, a, prej, bejt, but we will see that later. Let's look at the second verse. Já do přírody od přírody vůbec nechodím. So this is a play of words, because when we say in Czech chodím rád or chodím ráda do přírody, it means I enjoy going outdoors, but really for us it means go to the nature. We say literally nature means příroda, and that's what a lot of Czechs like to do. They like to chodit do přírody, to go outdoors, go to the nature in the Czech translation. But when we say, so that's do přírody, but when we say od přírody jsem extrovertní člověk. Literally it means since nature I'm an extrovert, but it means it's translated as od přírody, like ever since I was born, ever since it's just in my nature to be an extrovert. Then in the fourth line you can see aha, tak omlouvám se. So it's translated as and, but aha, it doesn't mean like haha, it means just oh, okay, aha, okay. And it's slang or informal. Whereas aha, tak omlouvám se, prý, že tam též nikdy nebyli. Též is very formal Czech, like maybe like old Czech. I mean, people in the Silesian region, mostly in Ostrava, they say this a lot. Též. It means taky. It means also. Já též, me too. But people in Prague don't really say this. Já taky. So that I just wanted to highlight this, that you will not really see this a lot in Prague. Páč, tam je fakt marný internet. Páč is a slang word of protože, because. Fact, I already made a video about that. It means really. Marný internet, the original word is marný, but as I said, we like to change the endings to a, marný. So marný means vain. So marný člověk or marná snaha, like I'm doing this effort, it's vain. Marný in this context, it's a slang, like marnej internet. It's crappy, it's useless. Moving on to the third stanza. Dneska jsem byl v lese a už tam nepůjdu. So dneska means today. It's an informal way of dnes. That's the official word. Nepůjdu is a slang form of nepůjdu tam. I won't be going there. I made a video about the verb to go, so please check it out. And nepůjdu is just shorter than nepůjdu. It's incorrect to spell it like this, but if you hear Czechs speaking, no one really says nepůjdu tam, nepůjdu tam. It's just, even for us, it's shorter to say it like this. Then in the second line, ukrutnou nudu. So it's translated as I've never been anywhere so cruelly bored. So nuda means boredom. Ukrutný, krutý means cruel. And when we say ukrutná nuda, it means really I'm bored to death. So you wouldn't say this in a formal situation. That's why I highlighted it, but the words on its own are not really a slang. Have you ever noticed that voda in Czech changes to vodu or even vodou? The changes of these endings are called the cases, and in the Czech language we have a whole lot of them. However, instead of memorizing these long lists of grammar charts that can be pretty boring and that can quickly discourage you from learning Czech, I have a better idea for you. I created my Simplified Czech Cases course where you will master the system of Czech cases in a practical and engaging method through short stories. You will start using Czech cases in context rather than by learning isolated phrases. The link to my course is down in the description box, so go check it out. Then the fourth stanza. Vážně nevím, co s tím lesem pořád všichni mají. So mají is a shortened version of mají. Oni mají, they have. I also made a video about this verb, so check it out. Co s tím máš? Literally, what do you have with it? Co s tím mají? What do they have with it? So that's the literal translation. But it's like the figuratively, it means like, why do you care? Jen jsem tam vlezl, hned jsem si zasvinil svý boty značky Nike. Svině is a female pig who has given birth already. And when we say to someone, this is svině, like you're really son of a, it's really vulgar. So, zasvinit si means to dirty your shoes. And yeah, it's informal, it's pejorative, and normally you would say zašpinit si, because špína means dirt. Then we have žádný signál, no signal. So again, we would say normally žádný. Žádný is correct, but we have this tendency to say žádný signál. Then when you see éčko, teda data jsou tu éčko. Éčko is the letter E. Éčko. And you see sometimes on your phone when you don't have sufficient signal, you will see that instead of 4G there will be this letter E. So that's why we say éčko. So moving on to the fifth stanza. Světlo pro selfiečka je zde ultra zoufalý. So selfiečko is, as you guess, a selfie. Pojď si udělat selfie, pojď si udělat selfiečko. Let's take a selfie, selfiečko. Ultra zoufalý, it's like ultra desperate. And yeah, again, these two words aren't really separately, they're formal words, but when you put them together, it's like you're really desperate. You're so desperate. So that's why I highlighted it. Then again we have řekl bych and líp by udělali. Líp by to udělali. So líp is an informal way of lépe, better. They would do better. Udělali, they udělali. They would do better. Ať postaví tu pro mě za mě třeba další obchodák. As far as I'm concerned, pro mě za mě, but it's quite informal. We would say co se týče mě, like as far as I'm concerned. But pro mě za mě is just this informal way. Obchodák, a mall, so obchodní centrum. or nákupní centrum, a shopping mall, shopping center. So when you shorten it, it's obchodák slang. Mohl bych shopovat, yeah? Mohl bych nakupovat. Sometimes, well, as young people, we like to borrow the English words and say pojďme shopovat. But honestly, I've never really used it. But I'm not surprised that some people do. Samá houba, čerstvej vzduch a samej hmyz. So čerstvej, samej are formal words, but again, when you put the ending, it becomes quite colloquial, quite informal. So fresh air, it's actually translated as black air, but that's incorrect. So čerstvý vzduch or čerstvej vzduch means fresh air. Samej hmyz, like there are insects everywhere you can see. So samý hmyz, we would say. So now we have two last stanzas, which one of them, this one is actually the refrain. So, jak se do lesa volá, tak se z něj ozývá. Or you can say also, jak se do lesa volá, tak se z lesa ozývá. That's a Czech proverb translated in English as what goes around comes around. So it's not a slang, but I highlighted it for you because it's quite a useful proverb to know. Then we have obývák. So obývák is a shortened word for obývací pokoj, the living room, so also a slang. And then that's not a slang word, but I highlighted it anyway, zásuvky, because it's translated as bolts, but it means the sockets for the electricity, to charge your phone. He complains that in the forest there are no sockets. The last stanza. Dneska jsem v lese byl, bylo to naposled. Naposled, a slang form of naposledy. It was the last time. And then when he says, abych maily vyřídil, musel jsem vylízt naposled. So vylízt is a slang word of vylézt, to climb. So that's pretty much it as far as the song is concerned. I think that most of these words are really useful for you to know, but of course it's up to you what you decide to learn and remember. That's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and it was valuable to you. Let me know in the comment section what other Czech songs are you familiar with, do you like, and maybe you would like me to do analysis like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Ciao!